If you guys like -20 weather, cold starts, pushing snow, heavy equipment, then this is the video for you. Man's best friend in the winter. Alright, I got my black to red and red to black. I think that's right? Let's hit the road. All right, today is Friday. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you like the cold starts. As you can tell, the Bulldozer did not start. It's currently still sitting on charge. The batteries are being a royal pain in my butt. But hey, that's just what happens when it's -20. Welcome to Canada, everybody. Welcome to Canada, and welcome to my channel, Ken White Construction. My name is Taylor. I will be your captain today, guiding you through this experience of a lifetime. No, what we're doing today is we're hauling snow. Actually, where those bucket shots in the last video were, where we Al had to go to that heating and cooling place. We're gonna go there, and they got a bunch of snow that needs to be removed, so we're gonna haul it out of there. And actually today, what's really cool is we got some Bulldozer action for you. While we're out here doing this, Dad's gonna be here at the storage. I got too much going on in my head right now. Dad's gonna be at the yard here, making the piles with the dozer a little less voluptuous. He's going to be taking them down a bit so that whenever we do get some mild weather this weekend or some rain, it really fixes the snow issue and melts them a little more fast so that we can get into certain places in our yard. So that's what Dad's doing today. So I'm gonna have footage of dump truck, of loader, of Dad. So guys, buckle your seatbelts because I got mine buckled. Hopefully you really enjoy this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, head over to my Instagram at KWC2000 for a lot of behind the scenes action. That's stuff that I don't really post on YouTube or can't post on YouTube because YouTube does not let you post a lot of things. So that being said, guys, let's get into this video. Loading out the snow at this job here. I'm figuring there's about 20 loads. Al says about 18, so we're gonna see who's right. just loading up some more snow right now. We're on load number 2. I got my most Canadian thing ever in my hand right now. Other than it's not a double-double, it's black coffee. Kids, drink black coffee. Actually, don't drink coffee at all. Caffeine's a drug and it's highly addictive. But we're going on a secret mission right now. Go pick up a little mascot. Make sure he needs a bit of a health checkup. So let's go pick him up. So we had to go get Otis. He's got his little appointment today for a checkup. He hates being in the vehicle. He shakes. Look at the muscle on him. Just like his old man, eh? So we're gonna go in, get him all checked out, make sure he's all good, and then we'll go back to some construction work. Hey buddy, hey, say hi to the camera. Yeah. Boom. Back in the cab with the bulldozer. Back in the cab at the back. I'm annoying, very annoying. Hopefully it's not too rattly in here for everybody. So now I'm gonna show off my bulldozer skills. I think the tracks are frozen to the ground. I will flip it around, don't worry, you're not gonna stare at me the whole time. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do a bunch of time lapse, just so it's more interesting. I'm going to probably clean up our main road here. It's really bad. And then also we have a bunch of snow at the back that needs to be kind of moved and pushed up so it melts properly. So I'm gonna go back ahead and do that now. Probably start on the road first. So enjoy these next clips and let's get some work done. Alright, so yeah, basically what I'm doing right now is baling and just casting the snow that is being dumped from this yard here, from other locations on our yard, and just kind of piling up in this back area. As you can see, that just easier watershed back here, things will melt easier, it won't make basically we just try to reduce the amount of muck and mud all over the yard. So what we do is just load up some of the snow from other locations on this yard, and yeah, just kind of stuff it all here in this back corner. Okay, let's get to work. Just had a little bit of a lunch break, courtesy of Mama Bear. She was driving by and she asked, hey, you guys want a salad? Sure. Not a burger, but I'll have it. Oh, and she got me kombucha. That's what happens when your mom brings you lunch. You get salad and kombucha. If it was up to me, I would have went to A&W. Let's get back to work. But I just want to end on one thing, just kind of putting the YouTube channel, putting myself out there, putting the company out there, putting everybody out there really, I would say a good quote that I thought of last night is, I'd rather be called a failure than live with regret. And that's huge to me. And I'm someone who definitely, I'm in my head a lot, talking and just thinking and overanalyzing and researching. And I definitely would say that doing this YouTube channel and everything, anything that has ever came out of this, and it's been a month and a half, is unreal. It's super positive in my life. We have more and more opportunities coming up every single day just from the YouTube channel and other ways that I'm marketing right now. Yeah, so I would honestly say to anybody who's watching this and is contemplating making a YouTube channel, or doing anything, posting on Instagram more, don't care, don't give a F. I don't really want to swear on this channel that much, but fun fact, I swear a lot. But I would tell everybody, don't give a crap what people think. Honestly, it's so stupid. When I'm 80 years old in the hospital on my deathbed, I'm not saying I'm gonna die at 80, I'm just saying as an example. When I'm on my deathbed in a hospital, wherever I am, I do not want to sit there and go, oh man, you know, I regret not doing this. Because I think for me, I'm not scared of anything. I'm scared of regretting things when I'm older. So for me, the YouTube channel was something that I know that I would regret. I love talking, I love the attention, I love the business, I love growing the business. I love everything to do with it. Like I said, this is kind of everything that I like doing all in one form, which is YouTube. So don't live in regret. That's really what I want to, the message I want to push everybody. Do not live in regret, and don't be afraid to act on opportunities, because everyone has their own style of opportunity, and it's just how you really kind of act that out. I'm gonna stop talking now because I'm gonna have a ton of editing tonight to do. But let's get back to some more machine stuff, because I'm probably boring everybody. Okay, so that was kind of near the end of my day. I wasn't sure how many more loads that were going to be coming back and forth. As you can see now, I'm actually at my house. I'm just currently going through editing all this footage right now. I edited out a lot of that conversation. Man, sometimes I really ramble on. It's actually disgusting how much that I can ramble on for. But I really, if you guys watched the whole video, I want to thank you guys for tuning in again for the whole video. As you guys know, it means a lot to me whenever everyone watches the whole video, because I put a lot of time and effort into these. That being said, if you aren't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Show some love, show some support, give me a big thumbs up on this one, and give me a lot of feedback. Write some comments. I don't care if they're good or they're bad. It's all good to me. Feedback's feedback. But then again, guys, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. Have a great weekend. I'm hoping to get this up tonight. It's Friday right now. I'm hoping to get this up tonight. I think I should be able to if I go to my office and use the internet there. That's information that you guys don't need, see? Okay, guys, see you on the next one.